Welcome to Lecture 3. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful and most avoided concepts in trading: taking full responsibility. Let's get started. The market doesn't care who you are. It doesn't owe you anything. Every outcome is your responsibility. Until you take full responsibility for your results, you will never become consistent. Mark Douglas. Victim trader. The market tricked me. Bad luck again. That news ruined my trade. Responsible trader. I misread the market. I broke my rules. I didn't manage risk. You create every trade outcome. You choose when to enter. You choose how much to risk. You choose when to exit. If you made the choice, you own the result. I didn't know the news would come out. I was distracted by work or family. I followed a tip I read online. My broker didn't warn me. It was supposed to reverse. These are deflections. You're giving away your power. Responsibility equals control. You can't control the market, but you can control your beliefs, actions, risk, expectations, and emotional reactions. Your control is your edge. Losses are a natural part of trading. The real damage comes from your reaction, not the loss itself. Losses are not personal. They are not punishments. They are feedback. Learn, adjust, and improve. Your external results reflect your internal world. Cultivate patience, trust in your plan, respect for risk, and discipline in execution. You know, Mark Douglas emphasizes that successful traders build a winning mental environment, just like athletes train muscle memory. Consistent winners focus on process, not outcomes. They take losses with clarity, not drama. They review trades honestly and grow with every mistake. Start journaling every trade. Not just results, but thoughts and emotions. Set rules and follow them without exception. Review mistakes without shame. Learn and move on. You create every result. Own it. Let go of blame and excuses. Losses are normal. Use them to grow. Mental discipline equals trading power. Responsibility is your most profitable mindset. Success in trading starts the moment you stop blaming and start building. That's it for Lecture 3. See you in the next session, where we unlock the mindset of consistent performance.